Salve Skipoli. Alright, we're going to try to polish up lesson 37 here. We have a few grammar points. We start with this sentence. Ad aliud templum ad sumus, ad aliud ad sunt. You'll notice that you have the same word aliud in here twice. Alright, aliud, aliud. Now, when you see a word like this, aliud, aliud, identical in form twice, it's going to change its translation. Alias, alia, aliud normally just means other or another. But since it's listed twice, it's going to have a little bit of a different translation. Okay, our verbs here are ad sumus and ad sunt. So we're going to say, we are present at one temple, they are present at another. So we had aliud here twice, and we translated it one, then another. Alright, let's consider number 9. Here our verbs are dormiant and laborant. And in this particular instance, we have alii in here twice. It's the exact same form both times, nominative, plural. So, alii is plural, so instead of saying one, we're going to have to say some. And then over here, we have others. So some servants are sleeping, others are working. So up here is we are present at one temple, they are present at another. Down here it's some servants are sleeping, others are working. Okay, one, another, some, others. Alright, let's look at number 10. Now we have the form alteram, which is accusative here, in there twice, modifying sororem in this particular instance. We've got amo as a main verb. Then on this side we have no new main verb, but we have frater meus as a nominative. So only one verb, but two clauses. That's weird. What are we going to do? Note we have alter, altera, alterum, which is just like alias, alia, aliud. If you see it two different times in the same form, it's going to affect its translation. So we're going to say, I love one sister, my brother blank another. How about my brother loves the other? So I love one sister, my brother loves the other. So same word repeated, we're going to say one, then the other. Alright? Now, number 11, things get a little more complicated. Now we've got alii. We've got the same word, but in a different form here with alia. Okay, that's pretty bizarre. It's actually ablative modifying naue. And alii over here is nominative modifying milites. Okay, so whereas up here we had the same word in the same form. Okay, down here we have the same word in two different forms. Now the translation of this is really funky. We're actually going to translate the sentence kind of twice. We're going to say some soldiers flee by one ship, other soldiers flee by another ship. Alright, you guys see that? Up here we said one, then the other. Now we've got to translate it twice. Some soldiers flee by one ship, the other soldiers flee by another ship. Okay, that's pretty funky stuff. Let's try it again on number 12. We've got alter rex, that's nominative. We've got the same word, alterum, but this time it's accusative. Alterum regnum, and then regit is our main verb. So, one king rules one kingdom, the other king rules another kingdom. Okay, so I translated it twice. Why did I do that? We have the word alter here, alterum here. Up here we had alii, then alia. So you translate it twice. One king rules one kingdom, the other king rules the other kingdom. Alright, let's see a couple more examples. Down here we have alii, and then in a different form, aliam, which modifies puellam, main verb being amant. So, two different forms of the same word, so we're going to translate this twice. Some people love one girl, others love another girl. Alright, perhaps you're picking up on the pattern. Number 14, we have alter dux in the nominative. And then in the ablative we have altera via. We have accusative exercitum and main verb ducit. So this is going to work like this. We got to translate it twice because we have the same word alter in two different forms. So one leader leads an army by one road. The other leader leads the army by another. Okay? So to review, if you have aliad aliad or alii alii repeating the same form, it's going to be, if it's singular, it's going to be one, then another. If it's plural, it's going to be some, then the others. If it's the word alter, which means the other of two, it's repeated in the same form. You're going to say one, then the other. When you have a form of alias or alter in a sentence twice, but the form changes each time, then you have to translate the sentence twice. So these three sentences are grouped together. The remaining four function in a different way. Then you're going to do something like some do one thing, the others do another. All right? One king rules one kingdom, the other king rules another. This is a little more complicated. I want you to, basically when it comes to this construction, I want you not to freak out. All right? For these three, I want you to have this mastered. This is not too complicated. You guys can handle this. One, then the other. Some, then others. This you can for sure handle. This I recognize is pretty challenging. Okay? That is really all I have for your lesson for today. Keep in mind, I can quiz you on this stuff if I want to. But that's all there is. Wa later.